Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll be diving in WAJID. Allah finds and obtains whatever He wishes, whenever He wishes. Allah is able to find any of His creatures instantly, especially when He wishes to exercise His will upon it. It is even superfluous to use the word find because all creation is in His presence at all times. Nothing can hide or retreat to a place that is out of His reach, where He is not. Allah has all He needs to exercise His will. The servant must never consider himself separated from his Lord. His Lord is ever present within and without him, and the servant is ever in the presence of his Lord. When the servant has a need, it suffices him to feel and say, "O Lord, I am in your presence, and my state and my needs are better known to you than to myself." One is always in need. There is always trouble for which one seeks relief. At times, we feel the need of other people like ourselves, a doctor, a lawyer, a judge. It is not possible to seek an audience with these people at any time of the day or night. Such ceremony and difficulty one must go through to present one's case to them. Yet how often we submit ourselves to go through all that complication while the Lord of all these servants, the curer, the just, the judge, the rich sustainer, the merciful, the best of the masters, the loving one, the all-powerful, the ever-present, invites us into His presence 5 times a day at the appointed times of prayer, and we neglect to go to Him to present our needs. Not only 5 times a day, but wherever you are, at whatever time of the day or night, He is there to satisfy your needs with all His love and compassion and wisdom and prayer. All you need is to say, Ya Allah. So who is Abdul Wajid? Abdul Wajid is the servant who finds everything in the essence of the One. Such a person knows the place of everything and is able to find it. Because he can obtain whatever he wishes, he neither loses nor asks for anything. He finds that which Allah wishes him to find. So if a believer who makes a habit of reciting this name as often as possible may be given strength of heart which will help him to find what he wishes to find and keep what he has found. Assalamu alaikum.